received a payment notice from a public administration or a utility company. If you want to pay it quickly without manually entering all the details, you're in the right place. Today, we're paying a pagoPA notice with Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. pagoPA is the standard Italian system for paying public authorities. It simplifies the process by using a unique code that contains all the necessary information. The easiest way: scan the QR code. In the Payments section of the app, look for pagoPA or Pay Notice. If you have a paper or digital notice, simply use the app to scan the QR code. The app will automatically fill in all the details. The manual method: enter the IUV. If you can't scan, you can manually enter the IUV, Unique Payment Identification, code, which is a long number on your notice. After entering it, the app will retrieve all the payment information for you to confirm. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: the IUV code is your best friend. This code uniquely identifies your payment. Double check that the code you enter, or that the app reads from the QR, matches the one on your notice exactly to ensure the payment is correctly attributed. So, just like that, you can settle any public payment in seconds. A standardized system goes a long way in avoiding errors. Now I'm curious, what's the most common pagoPA payment you make? Fines, taxes, or university fees? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.